Hi, Wesley Nguyen, Workforce Board staff. This presentation is for the Upskill Backfill Project Status Report, as well as highlighting its business engagement. With WIOA, our state had the opportunity to highlight business engagement with a particular focus in training existing employees. Can the Upskill Backfill model be the scalable and sustainable solution to engage businesses? Over $2 million was allocated to test the Upskill Backfill Initiative. Upskill Backfill, or UBI, is designed to partner with targeted businesses at multiple levels. UBI helps existing employees advance their career through additional education and training. It also helps new hires obtain entry-level jobs as existing employees advance their skills to move to a higher level positions. How does this project meet the governor's goal? Timely, relevant employee skill development quickly advances the business ability to compete. It also opened up newly vacant positions as well as entry-level options for the backfill component training. The targeted business now have the opportunity to more effectively plan for future advancement that could include internal succession plans, market expansion, including international sales, equipment purchases, and other critical expansion issues. The existing employees are able to advance their career, seek better wages, and advance their positions. New hires are trained and capable of going to work immediately, additionally supporting the business capacity to expand and be successful. As the project moves forward, workforce board staff will both monitor the efforts and provide technical assistance to support of their success. The governor had charged the board to provide recommendation in an inclusive public-private investment that can be scalable and sustainable workforce system to help more Washington workers get ahead while boosting business productivities in key industries throughout the state. UBI is a testing model. Can we use this new method to directly partner with business for the long term? Will industry find this concept helps them grow their workforce and their bottom line? Will business and industry continue to invest and expand this concept? Does this offer the workforce system a more effective design for future service delivery? If so, then what policy component would help institutionalize the project design? UBI awarded 8 projects across 7 counties in 6 regional WDC. These projects are still in its nascent stage. 7 projects were started 5 months ago and 1 project started 2 months ago. The 8 projects cover 4 strategic sectors: healthcare, manufacturing, construction, and maritime. There are over 21 committed business partners in these 8 projects. The business range in size from 30 employees to 1,200 employees. From a total allocation, $1.95 million of WIOA discretionary funding was awarded to these 8 projects, with the partner committing $1.85 million in leverage funding and in-kind support. The 8 projects are located across the state, covering both urban and rural locations and situations. The map highlights 6 WDC locations. The counties involved in UBI are King, Tacoma, Lewis, Thurston, Kitsap, Clickety-Tat, and Spokane. The graph breaks down the investment of each of the 4 sectors. When adding the partner leverage support, you see that the result is $1.1 million invested in healthcare, $1.2 million invested in manufacturing, $800 in construction, and $678,000 in maritime. Overall, the project investment almost doubled the WIOA discretionary seed money. Projected outcome note the involvement of 971 participants across the 4 sectors. The total 556 individuals are expected to complete the upskill training, while 415 individuals are expected to complete the backfill training. The healthcare alone is expected to train 135 people, with 412 in manufacturing, 190 in construction, and 134 maritime industry skill. I wanted to point out that in healthcare, the training investment is bigger. Skill in CNA to RN takes a longer time, but the impact in the training meets the business demand and the employee's wage often triple. All 8 UBI projects are still in its early stage of implementation. The initiative formed 8 public-private steering committees, developed upskill and backfill training curriculum to match their business partners' needs, provided 11 technical assistance and learning lab meetings. The TA team have visited 2 projects in Spokane and Sklicktad, exploring their operation and offering ideas to both support and expand their efforts. Created a statewide UBI program in ESD database to assist with tracking results. One project had hired a career coach to counsel the existing employees to navigate school and career options. Another hired IBEST instructor to assist participants with language barriers to support the healthcare initiative. To date, 91 participants had enrolled in the program. In order to administer this initiative, workforce support staff have 2 main tasks. One, facilitate the learning community with all stakeholders to develop policies recommendations for future investment. And two, provide technical assistance for the project teams to develop a scalable and sustainable model. Workforce support staff work in parallel with the project staff in ESD Workforce Initiative. This team is managing the physical component of the contracts and provides a secure database for the participant and the results of data collection. Now this slide illustrates the range of committed businesses and industry involved in this initiative. Industry partners were consulting the design of the project and are involved in the decision as full members of the governing group of each project. Currently, there are 21 business partners. Their participation varies from project to project. Some are involved in curriculum design, into participant selection criteria, and other for the actual participant selection. Some businesses provide release time for training and even pay for training tuition. Some of the business noted that they open up their meeting room to do the training and invite trainees from their competitors to support the broader communities. For more information, you can go to our agency website for more detail of each project. Please feel free to contact Wesley Nguyen or Mike Brennan. We will be happy to answer any questions. Thank you.